The Flagship Tailor-Made Itinerary is where English Cottage Vacation began. It's our original and most personalised offering, fully custom built for you and your group. We start with a detailed discovery process to learn exactly what each guest is looking for. From your interests and preferences to your pace and priorities, every detail is carefully considered and factored into the final plan. This isn't a preset itinerary, it's designed from scratch, thoughtfully crafted to suit your group and refined until every day feels just right. What really sets this experience apart is how we use local knowledge and insider insights to create moments you won't find anywhere else. Whether it's a hidden garden, a family-run pub, or a unique cultural event, your itinerary will be filled with authentic experiences tailored just for you. One of the key features of this whole cottage booking option is flexibility. You can choose your preferred travel dates, making it easy to fit your vacation into your schedule. We also offer flexible pickup and drop-off, whether you need a ride from the airport or your hotel. Morning, noon or night will accommodate you. It's completely all-inclusive, with everything taken care of from start to finish. This is the most flexible, stress-free way to experience England, and it remains the core of what we do best. If you'd like to get some inspiration for your vacation, check out some of the great sites and activities you could enjoy during your stay by visiting our Things to Do page.